Hello, my name is Courtney Arrington, and I've been a member with the VSCPA since I was a sophomore in college. I actually attended the Leadership Institute I think it's my sophomore year, and it was a really great institute. The biggest takeaway that I would have had from it was how important it was to learn about networking. I approached a table during a networking event, and I knew nothing about the company, and that was the first question that I was asked was, what do you know about our company? So after that, I was able to learn more about networking, how to do it professionally and confidently. I was also able to grow a professional network, which was really helpful. It's a lot of people that I met there that I still keep in contact with today. So I would definitely encourage anyone who's thinking about going to or joining this VSCPA in general or attending any of their institutes. That would be a really good idea. It's been really helpful for me in my career.